You only get one shot at a first impression, and Threads blew it. At launch, Threads was missing a ton of features that seemed important to an app that was hoping to disrupt Twitter. Threads has no web version, no DMs, no search, no hashtags, no trending topics. And worst of all to the user experience, it has no chronological feed and no follower feed. So regardless of who you follow, you're just going to get a bunch of threads you didn't ask for every time you open the app. And I don't know about you all, but my algorithm has no clue what I'm interested in. Let me show you. Okay, so I've cast the app onto my computer because, like I mentioned before, you can't actually open it from your computer, and right out of the gate, in all things give thanks to God. I'm not religious, but it's fine as a message, whatever. Never give up on your dreams, keep sleeping. Cute. Tops humor, okay? I don't miss calls, I stare at them. Okay? I just need 8 to 12 hours of alone time in the morning, and then I'm recharged and ready to tackle the day. Okay, so this was what they recommended to me, and they don't know anything about me. 2 very similar jokes about sleeping all day in the first 4, which is, inspired, I guess. But Nugget, this guy, the other day when I opened the app, 4 of my top 7, or maybe it was 4 of my top 9, suggested were all from Nugget. I don't know why Nugget is getting pushed so hard. He is apparently a chicken nugget. I'm sorry, I shouldn't say he, it. I don't know what pronouns Nugget prefers. But Nugget is getting pushed pretty hard for meme threads. Not really my thing, but okay. Let's continue. Ball is life. Would you bet on Wemby winning MVP in his 4th season? Oh, okay. Because he'll be MVP in year 4. Probably not. But I like sports. I guess that one's on point. Hey, Wasted again. We just saw Wasted a moment ago right here. Wasted, sorry, just saw your text, me with a screen time of 11 hours per day. So Wasted just made this joke about I don't miss calls, and then moments later we get another phone-related joke from Wasted because we loved the first one so much, I guess. AOC, imagine being a billionaire that fumbled the bag so hard and becoming so insufferable that 100 million people signed up for a new service just to get away from you. Yeah, AOC's been going pretty hard on anti-Twitter stuff on here. I'm fine with AOC, but I don't follow political accounts because I try and get away from politics as often as possible in my social media experience because it's hard enough. Hey, it's Nugget again. When you bury a body, cover it with endangered plants so it's illegal to dig up. Follow me for more gardening tips. Hilarious. Good job, Nugget. We have another NBA thread. Threads app. Right now, your Threads feed is a mix of people you follow and recommended accounts, creators who've built a following on Instagram and are sharing original content publicly here. Thanks for explaining it. Oh, but Nugget again! Sex before marriage is a sin, unless you do it doggy style as all dogs go to heaven. Follow me for more biblical loopholes. I mean, this Nugget is, really getting pushed hard. You gotta respect it. I mean, I don't, but hey, it's AOC again. Now, keep in mind, I don't follow Nugget or AOC. This is just what Threads has decided that I want a lot of. Pokimane, respect her as a streamer. Just saw my grandparents for the first time in like 5 years. My heart feels so tender. Okay. Hey, Nugget again. Biggest flex is when your friend's mom uses you as a good example. Cool. Giannis. Now, again, I'm getting a lot of NBA stuff, and I'm a sports writer. I like sports, but the NBA is probably my least favorite of the 4 major leagues, and baseball is in season, and NBA isn't, so I'm not sure why I'm getting so much, but Giannis, the Greek freak, is amazing. Okay, vibes are high in here, even on a Monday. Hey, it's Nugget again! I believe in Annoyed at First Sight. Nugget putting out some bangers. Really impressive stuff. Witty Idiot, 150 hot dogs at Costco, then a couple laps of free samples for cheap date ideas. Okay. Treat me like God handed me to you personally. Hashtag respectfully. Again, not religious, didn't ask for this, but it's fine. Demi Lovato has something coming out. Is cool, I guess. Nugget again. Please don't flirt with me. I'm not trying to cheat on my crush who doesn't like me. By the way, not only did I not follow Nugget, I also didn't like any of Nugget's stuff or respond to anything. There's no reason the algorithm should be giving me this much Nugget. Threads app. First Monday on Threads. Vibe check. It's basically just memes and celebrities, right? Who is this for? Do you love memes and celebrities? If you do, Threads is right for you. More NBA stuff, okay. Nugget again, I need a 6-month vacation twice a year. Oh, he doesn't work at all, get it? Bitch. Okay. There's literally nothing better than when you're full on laughing with someone and you both keep adding things that make it funnier and you can barely breathe. Yeah, that's true. Those are fun. Ball is life again. Nugget again. Alcoholic is toxic for you. First of all, so is the relationship you're in. By the way, nobody I follow, and I don't follow a ton of people, but I do follow a few people that I know have put out threads in recent days, and I haven't received any of those on my screen here. But I have got Nugget very consistently. Don't ask me how I feel, I'm just living. Okay, I honestly don't know who you are, but I hope you're doing well. If they don't have this in the next game, I'm suing. I do not understand law. Animal Crossing bridge over a couple of cliffs. Okay. If you're new here, welcome. Thanks. Lots of Threads app coming through. Alex Botez just took a disgusting beat in the 2023 WSOP main event. This is the first one I would say that actually resonates with me because I love poker. Big Alex Botez fan. She has a killer chess stream. So this is probably the first one that is a hit. But, let's see if we can get more Nugget. My mental health up, my humor. My mental health down, my humor up. Oh, yeah, that's good, memes are. That's pretty clever. Your periodic reminder that Medicare for all would save $450 billion in healthcare costs, save 68,000 lives per year. I agree that everybody should have free healthcare. I would not like to see this on my social account. What would you do in this situation? Is that the Earth exploding? I guess I'd be dead. Zuckerberg, we just saw that being retweeted by Threads app, and now we're seeing the original one. So what was the point of that? We could have just had one. I hate when people don't get my sarcasm because now I sound like a bully. Wasted again. How introverts make friends. They don't. An extrovert found them, liked them, and adopted them. Pokimane again. I don't, by the way, like I said, I respect Pokimane and what she does. I know she's a big streamer on Twitch. I don't follow her on YouTube. I don't follow her on any socials. I don't know why she's being pushed. And we're going to end it here with, I was waiting to get one more Nugget post to prove my point, if it wasn't already proven. Your secrets are safe with me. I was not even listening. Amazing. So that's basically the Threads experience. Now, of course, you can argue, Dave, if you follow a bunch of accounts that you're interested in and block the accounts that you're not interested in, the algorithm will eventually figure out what you like. That's all true, but what's my incentive to go through the trouble? I already have Twitter, which despite its many issues is currently a vastly superior product. I have YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. I don't use Facebook, but I could if I wanted to. Why go through the trouble on Threads? It was Meta's job to wow me and to give me a reason to spend time on this app instead of those other apps. And it failed. I'll keep up with it since I'm a content creator and I can't afford to just write it off forever out of the gate, but that's exactly what I would do as a regular consumer. What about you? Do you agree with me or am I missing something? Let me know in the comments section below, and thanks for watching.